So once the email arrives, it will have your patterns to download. So there's two different options. It's going to come through either where you purchased it on Etsy or through my website. So this is giving you an example through my website. So it's going to have your downloads that you've purchased. You just simply want to click. And so what's going to happen is a box is going to pop up and it's going to ask you if you want to either open with Firefox. You don't want to do that. You can save the file to your hard drive, which I would recommend, and also open with Adobe Reader. You want to make sure you have the latest version of Adobe Reader. Now, if you're downloading from Etsy, it's the same process. It's just Etsy has a whole separate section for where your downloads will land. So go ahead and click on Adobe Reader. And the pattern is going to come up as a full pattern, and this is what you'll see, the 1 through 9 pages. So what you want to do now is just go to Print, File, and when that opens up, you want to first click on Size. So this is just the regular 8.5 by 11. So the pattern, which is going to be the last page, page number 9, you want to print that page second. So what you want to do now is just go to pages 1 through 8, and you want to keep it on size. So what this is going to do is it's only going to print page 1 through 8. It's not going to print your pattern yet. So then just go ahead, click print, and then it'll print it off. So then you're going to come back in and you want to go to page 9. And then you want to click poster. So this is going to print just page 9. And if you look up here where it says the scale, it's going to let you know that it's going to be 42 pages. So you'll be printing off 42 pages. In the document, it looks like it's only 9 pages and the actual pattern isn't there. But once you follow these steps, you'll be able to go ahead and print it off. I hope this was helpful.